I'm going to show you how to use the set of blossoms with the plunger cutter. Just roll a piece of paste. I've used flour paste today, and you put your plunger onto it like so. Hold on the top with your 2 fingers before you touch. Now as you can't press onto there, move your paste. Your paste is in here, your flour is in here. As you bring it to your pad, press it down, and there it's come out of the plunger. If I want to wire these, I put a tiny touch of glue inside, and I use stamens, and the stamens go through here, and you leave them upside down to dry, so that when you come to put them together they will be dry. They take about 10 minutes to dry. When they're dry, you can then start wiring them together and taping them to make a little spray like so.